To create a new job opening as a hiring manager, click on the quick access menu. In the recruitment section, click on the new job opening button. You can decide to create a new job opening or you can copy from an existing opening. Let us copy. So I'm copying from this opening. All the details from this opening will be pre-filled. As you can see, the job opening form has opened up. Change the job title. Now here in the opening tab, I need to decide whether it's a new hire, whether it's a backfill, which means it's against a resignation, or whether it's a transfer, which means it's against somebody who has left my department or division. So if we select the backfill, I'll also need to map the employee for which the backfill is being done. As you can see, there are two employees which are in a separation approved status. So I can map the one of them. I can then make appropriate changes to any of the other fields. One of the important fields is my target fill date. This is the date which will be communicated to the recruitment team as an expectation of the date by which this job opening has to be completed. I can fill up the job description. This will be published on the company career page. This will be sent to the placement agencies. This will be sent to the employees who are going to be sending in referrals. So this is an important field. If you have any minimum criteria, you can fill that up. You can provide expected CTC range. This can be overwritten by the recruitment team. And you can also update the locations where the vacancy is. If you have any supporting document you want to upload, you can do that. In the second tab, you can further define this job opening more accurately. For example, you can say, I do not need any fresher. I need somebody with a work experience of, let's say, 5 to 7 years. I want somebody with minimum graduate qualification. And these are other fields which will help you to define the job opening. The drop downs in each of these categories can be defined in the setup. So these are customizable. If you have any specific language requirements, if you have any functionality requirements, or you can leave any of these drop downs as empty. If there are certain skills you want as a part of the job opening, you can define the skill also. So as you can see, there are multiple parameters which you can define as a part of the job opening. The more parameters you define, the tighter your fit will be. But at the same time, the more difficult it will be to find a candidate. You can provide your remarks and submit the opening. On submission, this opening will be sent to the approver as per your approval company approval matrix. As you can see, it is pending for approval. As an approver, you'll get a notification of the submitted job opening on the dashboard. Also as a pending task on the task list. You can just click on the pending task. You will see the job opening which has been submitted and is pending for approval. You can click on review. You can make any changes you want to make and click on approve. The job opening is now approved and is pending with the recruitment manager for release. As a recruitment manager, you will need to release the opening. You will get a notification on the dashboard. You can look at the pending task list, or you can go via the menu, click on recruitment and click on openings. You will see this opening which is in approved status pending with you. Click on release. You can see the opening which has been submitted to you for releasing. You can make changes to any of the fields. For example, suppose you change the cost to company range. Now comes the important part. You will need to assign this to a recruiter. You can also assign it to multiple recruiters. You can select the correct interview template. A template is a set of questions which the interview needs to respond to when filling up the interview results. If you want a background check to be done for this job opening, you can click on yes, which will mean background check as a compulsory activity before an offer released. You can publish on the career page. This is the career page URL. You can also share it on the social media. If you want to open it for employee referral program, click on yes. You can provide the referral text here. If you want to release to placement agencies, click on yes. Select the last date for agency referral. Select the agency name. You can release it to multiple agencies And if you have any remarks to provide, you can add them here. You can also review the second tab, the profile details, and make changes to the same. After reviewing the opening and making changes, you can click on release. Once you release the opening, you'll not be able to change the opening type and the employee type. These are important fields. Thanks for watching this demo.